Understanding topic sentences. Key to structured writing. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of writing skills, specifically focusing on the concept of a topic sentence. Whether you're a beginner in English language learning or looking to sharpen your writing skills, understanding the role of a topic sentence is crucial. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. A topic sentence is the foundation of a paragraph. It's the first sentence that introduces the main idea or argument of the paragraph. Think of it as a mini thesis statement for your paragraph. It sets the tone and direction, letting readers know what to expect in the upcoming lines. A strong topic sentence is clear, concise, and focused. The significance of a topic sentence lies in its ability to organize and unify the content of a paragraph. It ensures that all the supporting details and arguments in the paragraph are relevant and connected to the main idea. This not only makes your writing cohesive but also easier to understand for your readers. It's a guiding star for both the writer and the reader. Writing an effective topic sentence involves a few key steps. 1. Identify the main idea. Before you start writing, determine the central point or argument you want to make in the paragraph. 2. Keep it precise and straightforward. Avoid complex or vague statements. The clearer your topic sentence, the better. 3. Link it to the thesis. Ensure your topic sentence supports the overall thesis or argument of your essay or paper. 4. Avoid giving examples or details. Save these for the rest of the paragraph. The topic sentence should be an assertion or a point, not an example. Let's look at some examples to better understand topic sentences. 1. For a narrative essay. The first time I traveled alone was a transformative experience that altered my perspective on life. 2. For an argumentative essay. Implementing a 4-day workweek can significantly improve employee productivity and job satisfaction. I hope this video has shed light on the importance and structure of topic sentences in your writing. Remember, a well-crafted topic sentence can make your writing more engaging and effective. Keep practicing, and you'll see the improvement in your writing skills. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!